I just want to thank everybody out there who has donated so far. Over 40 sheets of MDF, lumber for framing, and also storage. Also paid for the sheeting and the framing of the wall. I was able to put that up so I could secure my home. And I really appreciate that. Also here we have a sheet of MDF, safety helmet, tons of buckets. I only have one here, but we got buckets, new charger because that burned in the fire, with new batteries, water, insulated screw set, box of framing nails and roofing nails, tarps, various tarps. We also have our levels here, saw blades, electrical tester, my first official tool belt, so that's really gonna come in handy, lumbar support. Once again, all the MDF and the whole wall was built with the donations. I really appreciate y'all.